Chapter 18, Problem 12. Two charges attract each other with a force of 4 newtons. What will be the force if the distance between them is reduced to 1/9 of its original value? So in this problem, you're given the force between the two charges, which is 4 newtons. Right? So for this problem, you're going to use equation 18.1. which is F equals to K Q1 times Q2 all over R squared. So Q1 and Q2 represent the magnitudes of the charges, and R represents the distance between the two, and F, of course, represents the force of attraction. So this force here is actually, we're going to name that FA. So you have FA and you're trying to find FB. So FB is what we're trying to find. FA is the original. Okay. So now we're going to write out FA and FB. So this is the equation for FA, which is K Q1 times Q2 all over RA squared, and FB is equal to K times Q1 times Q2 all over RB squared. So as you can see, in these two equations, they're somewhat the same except for RA and RB. So RA, as I said before, represents the original along with FA, and FB is what we're trying to find. RB represents the distance. So now we're going to divide the equation on the right by the equation on the left. So that would be FB equals to over FA, equals to K times Q1, Q2, all over RA squared, and this is all over K times Q1 times Q2 all over RB squared. So since this and this are the same, they will divide out, and you're left with RB over RA all squared. So this is what FB over FA is equal to. So FB is equal to over FA is equal to RA over RB all squared. And then you cross multiply to get FB on one side. And you'll end up with FB equals to FA times RA over RB all squared. Also, you want to use this part of the equation, this part of the question, and that would just be represented by this. So RB, which is the distance, is equal to the original distance over 9. So keeping this in mind, you can plug in for RB. So that equals to 4 newtons times RA over RA over 9 all squared. And basically the RAs will cancel out and you'll just get 9 squared. So it would just be 9 squared times 4, and then that would equal to about 324 newtons. And that will be FB. That's the value of FB.